Okay, I think that's everything sorted for today. Damn it, why do I always struggle with intros? Shotgun King, that's what I'm playing today. I know I have started Tears of the Kingdom, but to be honest, I just kind of felt like playing a puzzle game today, so I decided to go back to an old classic, and this was one of the first games I streamed with an avatar, so in fact this was actually the first stream that I did where you can actually hear my voice, because when I did the first one I forgot to configure the microphone, so it's practically silent all the way through. Oh well, happens to the best of us, eh? So this game actually got updated since the last time I streamed it. I think it was not long after I streamed it. And I did, I have played it a few times, but I didn't stream it. And it was a while back, so some of it will still be new to me. But yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do. I have unlocked a few of the guns already. So I think Solomon's the classic one. That one seems to be high power but low bullet count. Haven't got that one. Okay, that one seems to be the opposite. High number of bullets and low power. And then this one has a blade. If I remember rightly, the blades are pretty powerful, so I'm picking that one. We've already been through this story before, but just in case anyone's new to this, here it is. So, to quickly sum up, basically the Black King is a dictator, and people have been defecting to join the White King. And he's being told the error of his ways, but he doesn't really pay much attention to it. And for some reason he has a shotgun. So yeah, basically we're trying to kill the White King so we can get our subjects back. Although it does seem as though the Black King is the bad guy in this. Oh, and the blade is basically, if your like blade is high enough with each, with the number representing how much health you do in damage. This is a poor explanation. Let's try again. Basically, if the enemy's health is equal to or less than whatever your blade is, you can do this and just kill them. And it makes the game a whole lot easier. Oh, that pawn must have had full health. Okay, so the cards come in sets of 2, and you get a good one and a bad one. So with this one I get extra turns if I land on certain spaces, and it gives me +2 firepower if I get all, so not bad. And that one gets rid of 2 pawns and adds a rook. And as for this one, it creates a moat that pieces, except for knights, need to take 2 turns to cross. And this one basically gives you a different debuff depending on what space you're on. So either -1 firepower or fire arc +30, which is terrible, so I'm gonna go for this one. I mean, mean, as good as the moat is, it's even better to not have to deal with, you know, the debuffs. Now this one is extremely useful. It does mean you've got less fire range, but it's basically a second chance, which is amazing. Okay, so this one kind of gives a buff to rooks, which is unfortunate. But as long as I don't get things like this where it keeps adding rooks, then I should be okay. If only it was like ramparts and trowel at the same time, because then it would be it would probably just get rid of like every pawn, so trowel wouldn't take effect. I mean, I can give up, take or leave either of these really, so it's, do I want the elite gem or the black mist? I mean, ammo regeneration is pretty good, but I think I'm gonna go for the second chance. I need to get him to move away. Or I can just kill him. Yeah, that works too. Okay, well this one's nothing but benefits. I mean, knights are like dead easy to kill, and it decreases fire arc, which is amazing. Because the thing with fire arc is, if there was like an enemy right in front of me, then all three of my power would go in that direction and hit them. But if my fire arc was like that wide, then there's a chance they could be hit by one power, or even just not at all, so... Oh, they've got me trapped. No, you don't, because I've got the second chance. And that's why the blade is useful. I don't really want to be adding pawns because of the trowel, but it would kind of be counteracted from the ruins card. See, it's important to think about how, like, certain cards fit together. I think Witch's Curse is just, like, way too big of a debuff, especially because I only have, like, 3 firepower anyway. So I'm gonna go for this one. Bollocks. Bollocks. Oh, I forgot that you can reactivate these. I guess there's a benefit to just going after them all the time then. Okay, so for this one it's increasing the fire arc, which is bad, and charging an additional shell. Or removing a bishop and then adding a queen, which is terrible. +1 ammo max, reloading without moving lets you squeeze 1 more shell in the shotgun. So kind of like extra barrel, I think that means. And add 2 knights after 15 turns. Well, killing the knights gives me an extra turn, which is amazing, so... Plus, like I said earlier, they're easy to kill, so let's get into this. Oh. So I can't go here or here, can't go there or there. I can go here. And now I'm buggered. The only place I can go is here. Oh, come on. I'm trapped. I can't go anywhere here because of the queen, can't go there because of the bishop, can't stay here, and if I go there or there, then the pawns will get me. I mean, I know I've got the second chance, but it's still just kind of annoying. It'll take more than 2 looks to stop me. I'm curious how saddle works. I mean, I'll just take down the knights easily, so at least I hope it'll be easy. Oh. Aha. I love being more powerful. I honestly can't remember like the last time I played an actual game of chess against someone though. Okay, I'm in a bit of a bind here. The nightmare makes knights more difficult to kill, and this will add a bishop, which is terrible, because bishops are usually really easy to deal with. You just stay on the colour of square that they're not on, but this will mean that there's a bishop on both colours. I do remember one time I ended up playing a game of like giant chess against me dad, and I couldn't actually win. Bruh. But yeah, with that giant chess game I mentioned, what ended up happening was I was in hospital because I ended up having my nose broken. You know, just someone punching me in the face, as they do. And yeah, that was basically it. Just I was waiting to have my nose fixed, and like the room where there was a door leading into like a games room, and there was another door out of that room into the garden, and there was a giant chessboard. Well, the floor was made to look like a chessboard, and there were giant pieces. And me and my dad kept on saying whoever could reset their pieces the quickest would get to go first. But I think he was only saying that because he kept capturing all of my pieces, so I had more to fix before the game started. I don't think I can get away with... Oh, actually I can use the Night Soul. I unfortunately don't have enough power to deal with the Queen, and I think I'm trapped again, so brilliant. Normally I would have shot the bishop, but if I do, then the queen will be able to take me, so... Oh. Damn. I think I have to go over here. Why is the queen moving again? Okay, I don't have any soul cards. Can't go there because of the knight, can't go there or there because of the queen. Can't go there because of... Wait, did I call that a knight? Rook. Can't go there because of that knight. Can't kill the queen in one shot. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use the black mist. But I'm making some progress with the queen beforehand. Die. Oh. That could be useful if I used my souls more often, but I kind of want to keep them as long as possible, because they're like an easy out for any time when I'm cornered. Okay, that could be useful, removing a bishop. Okay, so this increases enemy health by 1, decreases their speed by 1, and decreases blade by 1. But this one gives me +3 blade. To be honest, I think that, waiting for the name to pop up, full plate armor, I think that that's actually a good card, because it's like a decent trade-off. Goddamn bishop. Okay, well I can't kill the pawn because of the rook. I'll kill that one instead. Damn it. Oh. I am so glad I got the Black Mist card. God damn it. And this is exactly why I wanted the blade gun. Okay, that's not so bad, I don't think, especially if I increase my blade. I mean, the king's health is lower now, I think. Yeah, king -2 health. You can't be talking about me because I don't have any health. Bloody rooks. Come on. Gotta risk it. Damn it. I love this blade. I didn't know you could get black backup cards. Oh, it's talking about the black cards. I was thinking, is there a way to get like more than one soldier? Because it'd kind of mess with the story, because the whole point was everyone left him. Oh, all the pieces are so slow. I love it. I can't really do anything because of the noise, so... I don't like this. I am very much cornered here. What am I meant to do here? There's nowhere I can go and I can't reload my gun. It's gonna make me use a soul, isn't it? Oh, I wasn't keeping track of the level. Looks like we made it to the end. Don't know why I sped up then. It's a shame I didn't get the red book card, or the what was it called, Theocracy. I love it when I get to the point where I can just annihilate the queen immediately. Oh, I need to stop that pawn. I got very lucky with the placement of the pentagrams. I just gave myself, like, insane firepower. What I don't understand is why, like, when there's all these pieces here, why don't they just gang him? I mean, there's 3 of them right there, probably a lot more, you know, in the area, so why don't they all just gang up on him at once, rob his shotgun, shoot him with it, and then, I don't know, elect a new king or something. Okay, I think I'm going to try rank 2 this time. I mean, all it does is add a couple of pawns, so can't be that difficult, right? Just as long as I don't spend a lot of time upgrading them. I'm just hoping I don't come to regret that decision. Bloody hell, they're moving fast. Non-king pieces can't come near your king. So I mean, that kind of counteracts the problem with the pawns anyway. Well, it nearly does. They can kind of like block me in, I guess, but that one can't even come next to me to put me in check, so... Okay, now Royal Loafers is a really good thing to have, because it basically lets you shoot and fire in the same turn, so that's one less way for you to be trapped. Problem is though, I'm losing one max ammo, or I'm adding a queen. Knights are no match for me. I don't even need to, like, deal with the bishop, because I can just stay on the black tiles. Oh, that's amazing. I probably should have looked at the trade-off first though. Yeah, me stupid. Okay, it's once per turn. Okay, that makes it better. He's got me cornered, the rat. You corner a rat until the bat bites back. The rat bites back. Jesus Christ. Oh. Damn it, I'm cornered again. I don't think my blades were strong enough. Okay, I'll give it one more go and then that's it for today. I mean, in hindsight, I think I should have just continued with Tears of the Kingdom, because I don't think this game is particularly popular. I think it did have like a phase of popularity, but I think that's, you know, done with now, so. For a moment I thought I still had the thing that stops pieces from getting next to me. Okay, I'll try going for the ending where the bishop is the final boss. Theocracy can't save you now. I wonder how this works with the bishops. Oh, that's the secret air. He's bloody done. I mean, I did do the pentagrams last time, so I could go for the scope. But I don't really go for things that increase firepower, so I think I'm going to go for this one. Plus they give me extra turns, so... And then they did, like, help me an insane load in... oh, that one's the air. Oh, come on. Ooh. Whoops. I meant to move, but that worked out nicely. Oh, now I can get the bishop ending if I'm lucky. I hate bishops. And now they can bloody move orthogonally. Oh, come on. Please. I really hate this game sometimes. Jesus wept. No promotion for you, mate. Just like real life jobs. Okay, now this is the part where the game completely screws me over. I get the feeling that depending on which cards you pick will determine the future cards rather than it being randomly generated. Because I've been buffing bishops and now it's making me buff them even more. So if they can move an attack across any obstacle, I'm guessing that means they can go over other pieces and the moat as well. So I've noticed that there's like 4 bishops and a single queen. Is there some kind of like reverse harem situation going on? Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I mean, my only problem is I've now got the thing where I get pushed backwards by everything, so... I'll just increase my firepower and wait for him to come to me. I mean, bishops suddenly get a whole lot more annoying when they can move like any direction. Because now they're like almost on the same level as queens. Oh, I've lost all of my firepower. I'm trapped. Okay, I'm, like, trapped for good. Yeah, there's nothing I can do here. At least I went out swinging, eh? Okay, well, that was an unfortunate end to the last attempt. I never noticed this before. Oh, it's just a log of all the different cards. So I've used 76% of them. Okay, so this is how many cards you found and how often you use them. All of the ones that say, like, love 100% are bound to be ones that I've only used once. Only ever encountered once, I mean. I mean, Secret Air I definitely use a lot, but I'm not sure how that one's 50%, because you have to pick it every time. And I cannot stop this from scrolling. Well, anyway, I guess that's a cool little feature. It can help you keep track of like what cards you have and haven't used. Well, I suppose that's it for today, so I promise I'll pick a more enjoyable game to watch next time, and see you guys then.